GitHub Copilot used to have a free tier. Now, $10 a month, minimum. And if you want the smarter models, it's $39 a month. I stopped paying for it, and I found a completely free VS Code extension that does everything Copilot does. Autocomplete, AI chat, multi-file edits. And it works with Claude, Gemini, GPT, and even local models with zero subscription. Let me show you exactly how to set it up. The extension is called Continue, and it's open source. That means it's free, forever, and you can check exactly what it does with your code. The key difference from Copilot? Continue doesn't lock you into one AI model. You bring your own API key, so you connect it to whichever model you want. And as we saw in our last video, there are completely free API keys you can get right now, so the whole setup costs you nothing. Let's set it up. Open VS Code and click the extensions icon on the left sidebar, or press Ctrl-Shift-X on Windows or Command-Shift-X on Mac. In the search bar, type Continue. You're looking for this one. Continue, open source AI code agent by Continue.dev. It has millions of downloads. Click Install. Give it a few seconds to install. Once it's installed, you'll see a new brain icon appear in your left sidebar. Click it, and the Continue panel opens. Now we need to connect it to a free AI model. Continue will ask you to choose a model provider. We're going to use Google Gemini because it's completely free, no credit card required. If you don't have a free Gemini API key yet, I'll link my preview video in the description. It takes only 2 minutes to get one. From the provider list, choose Google Gemini. Then select the model. Choose Gemini 3 Flash for speed or Gemini 3 for better quality. Then paste your free Gemini API key here. Both are free. Hit connect, and that's it. Continue is now powered by a free AI model running right inside your VS Code. Okay, let me prove this actually works. We're going to build a real to-do list app that runs directly in the browser using a single HTML file. Create a new file and save it as index.html. Just one single file. That's all we need. We have a completely blank HTML file. Now let's open the Continue chat and describe what we want to build. Now I'm just going to describe the app in plain English. No coding needed. I describe exactly what I want. The features, the style, everything in plain English. Then I press enter, and Continue writes the entire app for me. HTML structure, CSS styling, and all the JavaScript logic in one response. I didn't write a single line of code. I click accept, and the full code drops straight into my index.html file. Done. The entire app is written. Now let's open it in the browser. Right-click the file and open it with Live Server, or inside VS Code Integrated Browser. That's it, and there's our app, running live in the browser. Dark UI, clean layout. Let me test it quickly. I add a new task. It appears in the list instantly. Adding 2 more tasks now. I click complete on the first task. It gets a strike through. Delete removes it completely. And if I want to start fresh, I hit clear all. That's a fully working to-do list app. Add, complete, delete, clear all. Built in about 90 seconds. Using only plain English. No Copilot subscription needed. But here's where it gets really powerful. Let's say you want to change the look of the app without touching the code yourself. Back in VS Code, select all the code. Press Ctrl-I to open the inline edit prompt. I describe the change in one sentence. Continue updates the CSS and highlights exactly what changed in green so I can review it. I click accept, refresh the browser, and the app now has a completely different look. Same features, new design. One sentence. That is the power of Continue extension. If this helped you, hit the like button. It means a lot. And subscribe so you don't miss the next video, where I'll show you how to use Continue with a local AI model so your code never leaves your computer.